CVI Book Nook presents Creating a Space for Visual Success. Students with CVI often work hard to make sense of what they see. The environment around them can either support or overwhelm their visual system. In this video, we'll look at a typical home workspace and explore how simple changes can create a more visually accessible learning environment. Let's think about how sound and movement affect this space. The spinning fan adds constant motion and noise, which can pull away attention. The dog's activity and barking may interrupt focus, and the adult's movement and phone conversation add even more distraction. For students with CVI, all of this can quickly become overwhelming. Here are some steps you can take. Turn off the ceiling fan. Remove the dog. Reduce conversations while the student is working. By reducing sound and movement, you create a calmer, more predictable space, which can reduce cognitive load and support visual attention. Let's take a look at the visual clutter in this space. Toys, books, and decorations add extra complexity, making it harder for the brain to sort through what matters. For students with CVI, these visual distractions can quickly become overwhelming. Here are some simple steps you can take. First, reduce visual clutter by removing extra toys and books from the floor, desk, and bookshelves. You might also consider covering bookshelves and wall art with black fabric or poster board to minimize distractions. Finally, always consider how lighting affects your child's ability to see and engage. Try adjusting lights, closing curtains, or using a spotlight to highlight the task, whatever works best for their visual needs. Creating a space for visual success isn't about perfection. It's about noticing what might compete for your child's attention and making small, thoughtful changes that can make a big difference.